Hello guys, and welcome back to my English comprehension exercise today. Today guys, I have 5 brand new vocabulary words out there for my beginners. But before we get started guys, please like my page and also hit that subscribe button down there for me. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. So, let's go.
Clothing. What is this item? Dress. What is this item? Belt. What is this? Cap. What is this? Skirt. What are these? Pants or trousers.
Well guys, thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. Did you get all of the answers correct? Did you guess the name of those vocabulary words in this lesson? Again guys, thank you. Please leave a comment, like my page, leave a comment there. And don't forget to watch the next English video for your English comprehension. See you during the next English